everyone. Happy birthday for Top Music. It's our 6th birthday. In case you didn't know, on the 13th of March, every year we celebrate our birthday. And this year it's the 6th year since I started. It's kind of crazy to think that. And I know that there's quite a few of you who have been with us that entire time. So to you guys, our founding beta tester members who started way back with me when we didn't even have a community and we had about one course, thank you so much for being with us all the time. And to everyone else who's watching, who are current members, no matter how short or long you've been with us, thank you for being here. And thank you for being part of this top music teaching movement that has been growing and building over the last, actually longer than the membership, over the last 10, 11 years now, since way back when I started blogging. Seems like a lifetime ago, back in about 2010. So thank you to you guys for your support. It's your support of what we do that allows us to support you guys in return. So it really is a virtuous cycle, and I can only thank you for all that you've contributed to forums and discussions, and many of you have created resources and shared ideas and answered questions and done all those things that make a tribe and a community work so well together. Can I also say a huge thanks to my team. I could not offer you the kinds of things that we can offer inside Top Music, like this 20 volumes so far. That isn't even all of them, can you believe, of Top Music sheets that many of you have enjoyed, that entire collection. I can't do things like this without an incredible team of people to help. And I must mention, particularly given that it's the birthday of our community manager, Nicole, who works tirelessly, and I mean tirelessly, late at night, trying to answer questions and help all of you achieve your goals and dreams, which is what the whole purpose of the Top Music community is all about. I've been thinking as we've been around this birthday time about what really makes a top music teacher, what really makes you guys stand out from everybody else. And I started even putting together a bit of a manifesto, a credo, if you'd like, not that we're a motorcycle gang, by the way, of what we believe in, what makes us different. And I thought I'll share some of those with you and love to know what you think. So here's what we believe. We're part of a student-first group of music teachers who do things differently. We're revolutionizing what it means to be a music teacher. We don't just teach the same music to the same students. We no longer teach the way we were taught. We strive to understand our students and create learning experiences in which they thrive. We don't rely on teaching strategies from the 1800s, and we don't just teach music from the 1800s. And our students are more than just future concert pianists, although some of them may be, of course. They're students who can jam with a band. They're students who can accompany other musicians. They're students who can play some chords at a party. They're students who can read a lead sheet and make things up if they're put on the spot, like my little happy birthday, which all our students know, right? That's part of the top music teaching motto. We create versatile, all-round musicians with skills beyond just piano. We encourage our students to create. Our job is more than just correcting mistakes. We believe in the power of singing and whole body movement and chanting and clapping. Here's one. We don't teach reading in lesson 1. Yes. Pop songs don't scare us. YouTube is our friend. We are the CEOs of our studios. We charge what we are worth. We don't cave to parents. We hold on to our policies and enforce our policies. We believe music can change lives. And our one true goal is inspiring that lifelong love of music making. So that's just a few of the things that I've written down. I would love to know, what are some of the things that you believe sets us as top music teachers, you guys, all of us, what sets us apart from all the other teachers out there in the world? I would love to hear. Leave a comment in the forums. And I hope you can enjoy this celebration with us. I know Nicole's got an email with some fun links and things on there. I would just be delighted if you are interested in letting us know maybe one of your favourite things from the last few years of your membership. But certainly, what do you reckon sets us apart? Did you agree with what I said on our on that sheet before? Because what I want to do is actually put this together into a document that we can actually say, yeah, this is what sets us apart. This is what we agree on and love and know, and it's why we do what we do. So all the best for the rest of the week ahead, or whatever you've got planned for this weekend. We've got actually a long weekend this weekend, which is kind of cool. And thank you again for watching, and thank you for being members. I truly, from the bottom of my heart, am privileged to be in this position of leading this community of teachers, and I can't wait to see what happens in the next 6 years or so. See you later on.